Here's how to use exploding topics for dropshipping. So exploding topics is actually a great tool to help you find products that are currently trending that you can actually dropship. So I'll show you exactly how to do this. Now personally, I do use the exploding topics pro plan and I also recommend you to do that. They do have a 14-day free trial and I'll just leave a link down in the description. So right here, once you click on Trends Database, and that is what I recommend, you have a couple categories that are interesting if you want to dropship. And those are, in my opinion, beauty, health and wellness, home, entertainment, fashion, and lifestyle and culture. And then in lifestyle and culture, you have, for example, gardening, pets, dating and relationship. But one that I think is pretty much the best is beauty right here, and then you have, for example, skincare, makeup and cosmetics, hair care and fragrances. So for example, skincare, if I sort by growth in the last, let's say 1 year, and the current status, set it to exploding, and then I want to set it to non-brands since I want to find products and not brands. So you can see these are not very good, so I'm just gonna filter by 5 years again to find some better products. So for example, glycolic acid spray right here, you can see it's on an upward trend, but 1.6k is not that much, so I'm just gonna find one that has, for example, 50k search volume, or for example right here 7.48 million, so this could be something to look into. Or Centella sunscreen, so this refers to a highly rated SPF 50 sunscreen. Now this is kind of a brand, so you may not want to do that one, but another good one could be Whole Body Deodorant or Snail Mucin Serum. This could be perfect because this is just something that's kind of trending and something that you can actually sell. Or pimple patches, this is already a pretty popular product, but for example this one right here has nearly just as much search volume, but is not as popular. Now I'll show you one more category just to kind of show you how this works. So let's go into health and wellness right here, and let's go with mental health. And then again set it to non-brands right here. And you have, for example, Lion's Mane gummies. So these are dietary supplements in a gummy form designed to support various aspects of health. So you can look into that. So there are a bunch more right here. And home, for example, is also a really good one. So let's go into kitchen, for example, and again set it to non-brands. And this here could be a perfect one, wheat straw plates. So these are plates made of wheat straw. So then you can find a supplier for this. And this is a product that people are actively searching for. And of course you can then target those people that search for that specific term. So another good one could be a chicken shredder right here. So a handy tool used in the kitchen for shredding chicken quickly. Or a burger smasher, a beast blender, I'm not sure what that is, but you can just find some pretty good stuff right here, and this can be very helpful to just take a look at. And again, you can try it for 14 days completely for free, and within that time you will already be able to find some really good products. You also have trending startups, where you can see startups that are currently trending, and then you can, for example, in category go into fashion, and then here you will see some trending fashion startups. So you can also go into that. So now you know how to use exploding topics for dropshipping. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.